My name is Demon Tumsanisole. Look, I just want to come to you today and just tell you about accountability. Today's message is just accountability. I want to explain to you what does it mean and how it can help you to improve yourself. Let me tell you, look, when things are going right, a lot of people take the credit. But when things are going wrong, a lot of people start to point fingers, start to blame other people. So I'll come to you and say to you, look, you need to be accountable of whatever decision and whatever outcome that you get out of your life. Because whatever you're getting today is just a result of the choices and the decisions that you made yesterday. So be accountable of the decisions that you're making. Be accountable of the choices that you're making, because whatever you choose to do today will give you the result that you can either see today or you can see at the later stage. So I want to tell you today that you need to be at the point that you stop pointing fingers, stop blaming others for your failures, stop pointing fingers, stop blaming people for not succeeding, stop blaming people for not getting things that you wanted to get, stop blaming people for not advancing into the next level. Be at the point where you take full responsibility for the outcome that you're getting, because the first thing that can help you to solve a problem is to admit that you have a problem. You can never solve something that you don't believe you don't have. You solve a problem when you firstly believe that you have a problem. When we say solve for X, firstly you acknowledge that there is that X that needs to be solved. So for you to solve the problem in your life, admit that you have a problem. Take the responsibility. Be accountable of your life. Take that control to say, look, I've messed up, I want to change. I made wrong decisions, I want to make right decisions. I make things that didn't allow me to get the outcome that I wanted to get, I want to change. Be accountable of your life. Stop pointing fingers, start to take responsibility. Ask yourself, be at a point where you sit by yourself and say, look, what can I do different that can give me different results? What can I add on that will give me different outcome? Because input equals output. The input that I put in will be equivalent to the output that I'm going to get out of my life. I'm accountable, I'm responsible for everything that I do in my life. So I'm at the point where I'm saying, look, I want to change, and change starts from within. You cannot change the outside part of you if you have never changed the inside part of you. The inside part of you has what? Belief. It has what? Accountability. It is all those things that are within you that will change the outcome, that will change whatever you can attract in you. So take accountability, be responsible of your life, and then I promise you, you'll be a changed person. Before you start pointing fingers, sit down, calm down. What have you done wrong? What can you do differently that will change your life? My name is Demon Tumsanisole. Kitikuwe asidlali la uzumikos. Ayo.